Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. I'm Mohammed. If your Tekla model is lagging, then try these settings to make helpful for smooth navigation. In this model, you can see lots of fill symbol, bolts, construction and line, component view. These are the main reason of lagging. So go to view properties, then click display, then click unselect all the checkboxes. Now select only parts and grids in model as well as component. Then click modify, click apply, then click OK. So now you can see the complete model is very clean and neat. When you are modeling, you don't always need every object visible. Hiding details like bolts, welds, or construction object reduces the graphics load and can make navigation smoother. If you want bolt to be visible, go to properties and click display, then check the bolt box, then click modify and apply. Now you can see the bolt all visible in this model. Follow me for more practical Tekla tips like this. Thank you.